Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do a print quality test page from a HP Envy 5530. Now this can be done directly from the printer using the touchscreen we've got here. From the home screen you'll notice there's a little spanner icon on the top right hand side. So we press to go into that. Then we want to go into Tools and you've got Print Quality Report, which is the middle one. Now this will take your printer just a minute. And when it's done, you'll have a page that looks like this. Quite detailed, lots of bits to run through. But what you're going to be focusing on initially, I'd imagine, is this. It's the breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta and yellow ink and your printer's ability to print them. Everything's looking pretty good here. Slight issues on the magenta, but I'd say the main problem is lines running across the black. You've got a few extra stats here, but most of that will be ignored. And to be honest, I'm more interested in how the print quality of that black bar affects the text, which isn't too bad in this instance. You could probably struggle on with it, but there is also the ability to do printhead cleaning. It's the next option down. I'd recommend checking that out if you've got a subpar quality report like I have. So you can click on through, or you can check our video on that specific procedure for a little bit more information. But hopefully your print quality report's looking better than mine and you can carry on printing. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.